Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. This week, all about Idol Kids pa rin tayo. Pag Friday! But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mo like, share, comments, and views. And abutin na 500 in support natin sa ating social media account. Today's latest vlog, Week 4, episode 4, entitled Idol Kids PH Week 4 Recap. Here's your vlog. Okay, ito na, panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, this week or last week ay 12 this week. Kasi this week kasi. 10 lang ang pasok sa ating next round, which is the middle round. Una muna natin, yung nakapasok sa trip na Royals. Sa trip na trip, we have Jenar, Sapriel, at Dani. Kasi si Sapriel and Dani, Sapria and Dani, paano mga girl groups? Si Sapriel ay para sa K-pop groups. While Dani, Bini, yes! Bini. Then si Marcio, pasok na. Flight attendant ang gusto ko. At si Casey, pasok na din sa next round. But unfortunately, eliminate na si Jules. Kasi nadi-deliver ka pa ng yung pambabasahan. But this is not the end, but this is just the beginning of his career. In the Royal Week, or Royal Day, Divine, pasok na sa next round. Belle is on the next round. At kamukha ni Angel Briades, pasok na din sa next round. Si Johnny. Yan si Belle, pasok na din. At si Kiel, which is yung adopted parents, ay as of now, yung biological na parents ay para sa abroad yan. But congratulations kaya make it to the next one. At dalawa pa yung from anak na singers. Si Quail, anak ng vocalista na Sean Rock, na si Bradley Holmes, o dati si Mark Tupas ha. At si Ellie, anak naman ng the former Pinoy Drag Academy contestant na si RJ Jimenez. Quail is on the next one, but Ellie not didn't make it. But miss kita pa rin pag Tuesday. But miss kita tayo, Ellie. Sayang naman. Fortunately. But Quail is on the next round. Sings Kupas, may moyo na may duet ba with back vocalist of Shanra. Si Bradley Holmes. Ayan. And yan po for our this week's recap. Ilan na nakapasok? 10 this week. 32 na ang nasa middle round. Don't forget tomorrow and on Sunday sa Idol Kids Philippines on Kapamilya Channel, A to Z, and TV5. Sana mag-enjoy ating latest vlog. See you on Sunday. Bye. God bless. See ya.